So this is our experiment and video on us attempting to fix the cracked bumper. As you can see, that one's cracked. This one's messed up and is going to be our donor for the plastic. Tim is getting a fire started. Sawzall. So here's the tools we used so far. Sawzall. And we used an extra bumper for the plastic. Taped our cracked bumper to hold it in place. Pans to melt the plastic. Tape. Fire going. Spatulas. Say hi, Mark.
Hey.
You'll be on YouTube.
Alright. Doesn't look like it, is it?
Yeah, I was like,
Hey Brian, you want to grab me a piece of sandpaper? Yeah. You know what? Never mind. Never mind.
Okay, so here's our pan full of plastic cut up from that bumper that we're gonna melt. We're gonna fill in the cracked area. Here's what we did prior. We put in a panel there and then a panel up here. We heated them up, melted them all together. It actually turned out pretty good. Can't even tell. Front side almost, but we're still gonna fill that. So here's our pan of molten plastic, creating more fire than the fire itself.
Hey, you can't say it's not all bumper.
Exactly. I'd say that looks pretty goddamn good.
Oh yeah.
All we gotta do is sand it down. I honestly think that's beautiful looking once it's sanded.
That's fire. Think anyone else needs it?
No. There you go, folks. How to repair a bumper. Kind of redneck, even though we're not in the middle of the woods or middle of nowhere.